Our senior design project was in collaboration with the Wheelan Engineering Company. Wheelan Engineering is a designer and manufacturer of sirens, warning and illumination lights, and controllers that are used in first responder and municipal vehicles all across the country. In addition to the manufacturing and design of such peripherals, Wheelan also provides a proprietary web-based fleet monitoring system called the Wheelan Cloud Platform, which tracks the location and attributes of customers' vehicles. The objective for this project was focused on delivering a product that can be implemented in the platform.
The Wheelan Cloud platform provides real-time fleet tracking and management for vehicles fitted with the CENTCOM core device. All peripherals on a vehicle are connected to the CENTCOM core, which, using an antenna, communicates wirelessly over cellular networks to the cloud and sends status updates regularly on the location, speed, and various statuses of the vehicle. All this information is stored in a database and displayed on the live map for fleet managers to view, or for a 24-hour replay of a vehicle.
This project was organized as if we were a development team working for Wheelan. As such, we used all of the development and management tools and practices that the company uses to code and test features and components of their website. The project was focused on 2 products. The first was a feature that would allow for a modular peripheral to be added to a vehicle and have its status to be displayed on the live map. The second was a feature that would place simple markers on the live map using latitude and longitude to accurately pinpoint locations that are important to emergency services. These locations could be anything from small fire hydrants to large hospitals. In order to implement these features into the Wheelan Cloud platform, our team had to deal with a significant learning curve. Each of the tools that Wheelan utilizes were completely unfamiliar to us as we had no previous classroom experience with them. This would prove to be a challenge for us for the first semester. The language and library that WCP is written in was JavaScript and React. React is a library with several nuances that make it distinct from traditional languages we have learned in the classroom. For version control, Wheelan utilized Git and GitHub to manage their codebase. For the large amount of data storage and management required for the function of the WCP, the Wheelan team primarily uses Amazon Web Services, including their Dynamo database and Lambda APIs. Tests of the HTML protocols and communications between the backend AWS and front-end React framework use Postman, a platform for testing web APIs.
In tandem with this, the assignment of work and status of tasks are managed with Jira, an online issue tracking system developed by Atlassian that lets us manage our project with an agile approach. Agile is a software development approach that is based on the cycle of distinct phases: planning, developing, testing, and evaluating. With Agile, tasks are broken down into smaller parts and are completed in a period of time called a sprint. A sprint typically lasts for 2 to 3 weeks. At the end of each sprint, the team would meet and evaluate current progress and shift focus on issues as needed. This is how our team worked on the project and managed each of our responsibilities.
Learning the technologies and the organization of Wheelan's web development team was indeed a challenge. However, it provided us with valuable experience in a real software development environment, working on an interesting project that would be beneficial for first responders. This was a great experience, and we would like to extend a giant thank you to our sponsor and managing team from Wheelan that mentored us for the project, as well as to our faculty advisor, Shaden and Bobby. Thank you all for guiding us through the project and providing us with your support and experience.